Hey there. I am super excited because we have now gained access to a very special tool that can help anybody maximize the sale of their home, basically using predictive analytics. And what we're looking at, and this is thanks to our friends at First American Title, we're looking at weekly reports of the Denver metro market, broken down into some really next level stats, next gen statistics. Like I said, almost predictive analytics. And I'm getting a lot of questions on this as I send them out. So I'm just going to start recording these videos weekly when I get the report. And if you have questions, because this is a lot of numbers here, a lot of data. If you have questions or want it broken down even more, just feel free to reach out. Happy to help in any way that I can. But basically, this is set up so you can know exactly when is the best time to maximize the sale of your home, or if you're already selling your home currently, what these numbers look like so that you can strategically position your home to maximize its success. So I'm going to get to where we're at right now, where we're at today. So you can see this measures week to week, a lot of different statistics. And I'm going to go through these pretty fast because, well, the platform I'm on only gives us 5 minutes. So first thing that we're looking at, odds of selling. So this measures what's come off the market versus what went on the market, or what stayed on the market, I should say. I should preface this with, if you're a seller, red is good. That means hotter. Blue is not good. That means colder. You can see there's a lot of red here with a little bit of smattering of some blues. And then those yellows and oranges, greens are kind of neutral or in the middle. Odds of selling. Let's go to that one because that's the biggie. Your odds of selling last week was 66.3%. So better than 2 out of 3 chance, or almost 2 out of 3 chance that you sold your home in the last week, compared to what did not sell. And we got to go all the way back until June, third week of June last year, to see that high of odds of selling, which is phenomenal news, obviously, if you're a seller. Daily active, that just means how many average listings were on the market per day. You can see that number's been steadily going down, thus the red here, less competition. New listings, that is our first blue. So that one, obviously a big jump in new listings last week, as you'd expect this time of year. It's the highest number of new listings since, looks like, about mid-September of 2022. Back on market, that just means it was under contract and the contract fell out. Could have been inspections, could have been financing, appraisal. We're not going to touch too deeply on that one. Expired and withdrawn, those are the listings that came off of the market. Pending sales, over 1,000 for the second consecutive week, and for the third week this year. You got to go all the way back to, let me see, a lot of 700s, 800s. Got to go back to about, again, mid-September last year to see that many homes go under contract in 1 week in Denver Metro. Looking at closed units, closed is a lagging indicator, obviously, but we're seeing the closed number go up. Here's a big one here. Predictive MSI stands for, MSI means month supply of inventory. Obviously, the lower that number is, the less competition you have as a seller. And you can see a lot of under 1 month supply already this year. Active units for balance just means that we're in a undersupplied market by over 27,000 units. We're only 13% supplied. So again, still heavy seller market conditions. Number of total showings this past week, 14,000. Again, so you can see the showings have remained pretty steady. Showings per listing jumped up to 4.1. So if you are a seller, you did not get 4.1 showings last week, something's probably off. Showings to contract, it's taking on average 13.7 showings to get under contract. So you know if you're past 13.7, something's probably off again. Median days on market, check this out. So from listing to going under contract, the median days on market was only 7 last week. We got to go back pretty far back in time, Marty McFly, to get to that quick of a pace of sales. Looks like last time we saw that, again, late June last year. So pretty heavy seller market conditions. I hope this video has been informational for you. And if you want me to break down the rest of this, just reach out. Happy to do so. A lot of good data in here to use if you're selling a home. Take care.